Hello, we're up to exercise 1, which I put last time. Let us now start solving these expressions, factorizing them. Question number 1, x squared minus x minus 12. This sign is minus. First thing I do, I know this is quadratic trinomial. There's no common factor. Therefore, I factorize x squared, which is x times x. So I put x here and x here in the space provided. Then I factorize 12, which is 4 times 3. And this is shown here. X squared minus x minus 12. I factorize x squared, that's x and x. X times x is x squared. Then I factorize 12, which gives me 4 and 3, because 4 times 3 equals 12. Now I need to find the signs in the middle of the brackets. This is an invisible positive. Positive times negative is negative, and this is negative times negative gives you positive. Now to check our answer, we multiply the close by terms, that gives you minus 4x, and we multiply the far ones, that gives you plus 3x. When I add them up algebraically, I get minus x, or minus 1x, which is the middle one. Therefore, the factorization is correct. Now, the second one is 2x squared plus 5x minus 3, which I got from that list I gave you, 2x squared plus 5 minus 3. So what I'll do now, because this is a trinomial, there is no common factor, I factorize 2x squared, which is obviously 2x times x, and I factorize 3, which is 1 and 3. Checking the middle signs, these signs, I have to multiply this invisible plus times this plus, give me plus, and this plus times the minus here, give me a minus. Now I will check my answer by multiplying these two together, which give me one positive 1x, and these two together give me minus or negative 6x. When I add them up, I get minus 5x, which is not the same as plus 5x. The only difference is the sign. Therefore, to fix this problem, all I need to do is to change this one to plus and this one to minus. So in that case, I get minus 1x plus 6x, and that gives me plus 5x. The problem is fixed. Looking at number 3, again, there's no common factor. It's a trinomial, quadratic trinomial. So I factorize 7x squared, which is 7x times x. Factorize 2, which is 1 times 2, or 2 times 1. Then I check the signs, these signs. How? By multiplying this invisible plus times this visible plus, give me plus. And multiply this visible plus times this invisible minus, give me a minus. Now I need to check my answer. Here, 1x, 1 times x give me plus 1x, and 7x times 2 times minus 2 give me minus 14x. Adding plus 1 minus 14 will give me negative 13x, which is again not exactly the same as the middle term here, because that's a positive. Therefore, to fix this problem, I need to only change the signs. So this I change it to plus, and this sign I change it to minus, so I get minus 1x, and I get plus 14x, which gives me plus 13x, and that's the same as the middle one. So I fixed that problem. Normally, factorizing a trinomial would take just maximum 1 minute, maximum, the hardest one. This is just a matter of seconds. Now, this other one, and another trinomial, so I open two brackets, I factorize 6x squared, which is 3x times 2x, and I factorize 2, which is 2 times 1. The middle signs, the invisible plus times this minus, give me a minus. This minus times this minus will give me a plus. Now when I multiply them two, I get minus 4x. When I multiply them two, I get positive 3x. As a result, I get minus 1x, which is the middle term. Therefore, my factorization is correct. These are only 4 examples, and this will be enough for this video. Please send me your comments. Thank you.